In everything you do, make sure you eat first. Hey fam, come with me as we cook one of our favorite African Cameroonian dishes. Yes, the Qatiqati. I'm doing it my own style. Please don't come for me because, hey, this is vegetable soup. So guys, if this is your first time tuning on, my name is Yvonne Carey and here we just talk about lifestyle, skincare, and we do talk about business sometimes. And I do cook because I love cooking. So please, if you love this, stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and share with your family and friends. First, you need to roast the chicken, just like you see me doing. I didn't really have so much time to do that, but yes, that's what you need to do. And next, I started by prepping my veggies, so some bell peppers, some onions. I just wanted to be extra. Normally, the traditional way, they won't actually include some of these peppers, but it's just vegetable soup, and yeah. And so you go ahead with your onions. What's actually cooking vegetables without adding your onions? So you just need to flow with that. So I actually had to prepare my pepper mix, and later on I definitely added lots and lots of onions. So onions is very, very essential. I mean, for those of you who love onion, but if you do not like onion, that's okay. You can just pass, all right, but I think onion is really necessary for this because we do include these onions and also another spice called country onions. All right, so that's the chicken which I literally chopped and put in the pot. You need to like pre-grill it. You can grill your chicken with your microwave or your oven or your air fryer, anyone you definitely choose. So this is me trying to extract the pepper seeds from the pepper because this pepper will deal with you if you're not a pepper eater. So the food really or normally just have to be like normalized. Yeah, so one thing you normally don't want to do is to put all the onions in the chicken. So you need to leave out some for the vegetables whenever you're frying them, just like you see me doing right here. And this is what it looks like after adding some little spice here, and that's it. We just need to cook with little or no water, guys. So I just need to add some leeks in it, and yeah, this is like optional, but I think it's really great to add some leeks. So that's our pepper mix for you, and then we go ahead and blend. So please guys, stay tuned and I will see you. So normally your pepper is not supposed to be really grounded. You just need to crush it and that's it. And remember, I blended this without water, so you might want to consider do not add water because water sometimes will like eliminate some of the taste in the pepper. So please just do that. And this is it. Just stir and let it cook. All right guys, I'll come back here soon. So enjoy the music while you stay tuned. Okay guys, I went ahead to chop my tomatoes. Normally tomatoes are a must here, but then you see that I already used my peppers, so normally I could choose not to use tomatoes, so I just used a little bit. And yeah, because my peppers were not that many, so I just wanted to add tomatoes to blend everything up together. So stay tuned guys while I come back to explain the other details. After 15 minutes, you go ahead and check and see how your chicken is doing. Yeah, you need to stir, but don't stir so much. So I definitely didn't use the normal chicken that it's really strong. I just use the normal chicken, yeah. But then this is best when you use a live chicken and not, I mean, the stronger chickens. I don't know how to call it in English, pardon me, but those chickens that do lay eggs, yeah. So yeah, so you definitely need to use this. And so guys, this is just how your consistency has to look like. So just go ahead and do it this way, and you will be so glad that your spice and everything was intact. And I basically went ahead to fry my chicken. You can choose not to fry it because I do love fried chicken, and so I went in for this. So guys, I went ahead to put all my spice in the pot. I fried my onions. I mean, you need to fry everything like this. Stir fry it for about 5 minutes, and then you input the onions, the peppers, and you name it all. So guys, I will see you again. Stay tuned, enjoy the music, and if you have any questions, please go ahead, comment down below, and I will be super glad to answer. If you've been observant enough, you realize that I didn't just pour the stock into the pot. Yeah, I mean the chicken stock. So you're just pouring it little by little and stirring and trying to observe the consistency before you literally put your vegetables. You need to stir fry your peppers and your onions and making sure that everything is intact before you include your veggies. And here is the last part, guys. This is super duper yummy, and I mean, I love the fact that it turned out to be this way. Just observe it. It's mouth watering, and I know you don't want to miss it out. And so guys, take a look. I love the fact that it turned out to be like this. And next we go on to prep the fufu. Yes, it's usually eaten with corn fufu. And so guys, that was it. And this is how you deal with Huckleberry, which you have not eaten for the past, I mean, like 6-7 years. Yeah. And so guys, tell me what you think. Did you love this other side of Qatiqati? Did you love how this turned out to be? Let me know down the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do go ahead, subscribe, like this video, comment down below if it's a yes or a nay. All right, are you gonna try this recipe? Just let me know. And also, if you want or you need a list of all what I used, just let me know down the comments below. Just comment I want, and I'll definitely give it up to you. All right, until then, I'll see you in my next video. I just had to share this with you all. I shared this food as well with my boo. And so guys, let me know what you think. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Enjoy.